Hi guys, so today I'm going to be, I just sat on one of Pepper's toys. It's Dumpling. So today I'm going to be doing a really quick and easy kind of natural everyday makeup. So I've been going for this look lately whenever I don't really want to take my time to do a full makeup, but I kind of want to because I'm going out to lunch or something. Just whenever I feel more comfortable wearing makeup, but I just don't want to go all out. I actually posted this look on my Instagram story and a lot of you guys liked it. You guys really liked the fact that I wasn't wearing any false lashes. I haven't done a look on my channel where I wasn't wearing falsies, but I don't know, I just felt like I've always felt more comfortable and prettier with false lashes on. But a lot of you guys asked me to do, or to have a lot of you guys asked me to show you a tutorial on that look, so that's what I'm going to do today. So what I just did was foundation, and I just use a light layer of Cover FX Power Play foundation. I am in G40. Normally when I do makeup, like if I'm going out or something, I put concealer on top, but for every day I just like to use a little light layer of this, and I feel like it's good. I only like to use a light layer not only because it's comfortable, but also because you can still kind of see the freckles under my skin and the pigmentation from my acne and everything, and I just feel like it looks more natural and just looks more like my skin. So the next thing that I like to do is eyeshadow, and I've been using this It's All Wild ColourPop palette. I think it's a collab with Ava Gutowski. So I've been really liking this palette. I think if you guys are looking for a go-to everyday palette, this one's really good because it has just a bunch of warm tone shades. It's really small, and I don't know, I just think it's very easy to use. So what I like to do is I like to take this color, I think it's called Bonfire. So I like to take this Bonfire color, just gonna take it on my fingers and pat this on my lids. Typically I would use my fingers to rub it on, but the pressed powdered shadows blend and go on better with a brush, so just blending it in. Oh my gosh, okay, before I move on with my eye stuff, I'm gonna do my brows. I don't know why I skipped that step. I have my 100% pure brow color. I'm going to use this. This is in the color Soft Brown. I'm not going to talk too much about the brows because I just do them the same way every time. So I'm going to go back to my eyes, and after applying the Bonfire color, I like to go back with this color. This is called Tan Line. It's just a kind of dark brown. I like to just take a little bit and put it on my lower lash line. So whenever I'm doing makeup, I don't wear mascara. I just put on the false lashes. My eyelashes are really short and very straight. So usually mascara is just kind of, it's almost kind of pointless, and sometimes I really don't think you can tell that I'm wearing mascara. But I like to do it because I can kind of tell that I'm wearing mascara, and I feel like it kind of looks nice. So I just really quickly just do this. So I have this Shui Mirror curler and I just curl. I know a lot of you guys have monolids. I was going to ask two questions. One, if you do have monolids and have ever gotten eyelash extensions, do you like it? I really want to consider getting eyelash extensions because, I mean, I just really like the look of long, natural, fluttery looking lashes, and I just don't have that. But I know that on monolids, I feel like getting those kind of lashes is a little tricky. Sorry, I'm just drying this because I don't want it to transfer. And my second question was, if you live in SF, do you have anywhere that you recommend that I try them? I looked on Yelp and stuff, but I don't know, I'm just so kind of weary about it because there are so many horror stories about getting lash extensions and how their lashes fall off, and I don't know. So I just want to make the best, most informed decision. So if you guys have any recommendations and you live in San Francisco, I definitely like to hear them. Okay, so this is what it looks like when I'm done. Can you guys see what I'm saying? Like up close, I feel like you can kind of see the lashes and it looks a little different, but from far away, you can't really tell anything. All right, we're gonna move on and I'm going to highlight a little bit. I have this quartz highlighter from Glossier. This is my favorite go-to highlighter. I used it in my summer makeup where I did like a peachy kind of orange coral look. I'll link it up here. And it was my first time trying it and I was blown away. I really love it. I think it just looks so nice. Like, look at that, it looks so nice. And then all I do is just pat my fingers on it to blend it in. I love this highlighter whenever I'm just doing quick stuff because one, it's really easy to use, and two, it feels a little more like the glow is really just coming from my skin, whereas my powder ones, you can just, I mean, this isn't a bad thing, but you can just tell that there's highlighter on, if that makes sense. I also like to just run it down my nose a little. For blush, I'm also using a Glossier product. This is the Cloud Paint. This is in the shade Beam. Lately for blush, I've just been using the Glossier Cloud Paints because I just think they look really nice on me and they blend really well. Okay, it's all blended in. I think it just looks really nice. I really love this shade. Dusk is also one of my favorites, but I've been liking this shade more for kind of the summery look. I keep saying this shade, but I'm not describing this shade. Beam is kind of like this. It looks like the cap. It's just kind of a pinky, corally color. Before I do my lips, I kind of wanted to try this product out. This is the Take Home the Bronze bronzer by The Balm. I know this is supposed to be a tutorial on my everyday look, but this is essentially it, and then I put on lips, but I wanted to try this bronzer out just for fun. I haven't worn bronzer in so long. Woo! Whoa. I think it looks really nice. I feel like it gives my face a lot of warmth. I stopped doing bronzer before because when I started breaking out, I just cut that out of my routine because it was just one more brush that I was putting on my skin and one more product that I was putting on my skin. But now that my skin is clearing up, I'm trying to get back into playing with a little bit more makeup. Obviously, I'm still being careful with what I use. But yeah, I really, really like this. I think it looks really pretty. But I will say that when you do use this, it's going to bring out your pigmentation a little bit more if you have any on your cheeks here. But I mean, I don't really mind. A lot of you guys have kind of made me feel a little more comfortable and confident about having them. I get a lot of you guys saying like, oh my gosh, I didn't even know those were acne pigmentations, like you thought that they were freckles. So thank you. I feel a lot more confident about my skin now, mainly because of you guys. All right guys, we are on the last thing. I'm going to do my lips and I have this 3CE Velvet Lip Tint. This is in the shade Going Right. This is just one of those perfect kind of, I don't know if I consider this a nude. I feel like it's kind of a variation of a nude, but it's definitely one of my favorite everyday lip colors. All right guys, this is the finished look. I feel like this is just one of those really easy and simple looks that you can do. But anyways, let me know if you guys find this helpful. And if you do try this out, definitely tag me on Instagram or something or Twitter, because I am a little more active on there. I really love it when you guys tag me and show me, especially with how I cut my bangs and stuff. A lot of you guys tagged me in that and I thought that was really fun and you all found it really helpful, so that made me really happy. Yeah, but let me know if you guys try this look out, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in our next video. Goodbye.